look at this. Aerial footage shows the scope of the wildfire that continues to burn in the upstate this morning. South Carolina remains under a state of emergency and a statewide burn ban remains in effect. Mandatory evacuations are now in effect for parts of Pickens and Greenville counties. Those who must evacuate will be notified by law enforcement, and local churches are opening their doors for those needing shelter, while officials are working to establish a permanent shelter location. The South Carolina Forestry Commission said the evacuations come after increased fire activity Tuesday afternoon, and it will continue to increase in the days to come due to gusty winds.